Salibanu webe o. Yadio na salibanu webe o. Salibanu webe majumu wela ma o.
Kele kele di ma o biri adi ma o. Kele kele patani o biri analaria o. Okama o ebege bulaku ye bunangu.
Also,
Ekenem gio.
no, from Adam Mazu.
Yes, I knew our Damazi. I now connect the Africa Nine to their roots via the showcase of the cultural heritage of all African communities. Anyị bịa Asaba maka emume unu na-eme. So mana before anyị agawa n'iru n'eju gị maka emume a, biko anyị enwe ike ịmatata onye bụ.
Mụ bụ Ogbuechi Chiedu Onwegbuzia. It happened na mụ bụ the chairman planning committee, events committee otu Haza Asaba. So ife na-aga n'ọfụma.
Okay.
Adam Maazị anyị anụgo maka nne. And I am happy now today na anyị ajigazi anya anyị for Adam Maazị.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyị ncha anyị dị particularly interested ka ụmụ nwanne anyị digo liberated ka a sị akpọwa na Igbo liberated Africans. Who today I think is no ya bụzi ife dị in vogue. Enye ọbụla na-achọzi ka ọ mara route. So anyị wadi no open to inye opportunity ọbụla one week inweni kwa gosi onwe. Yes, I'm interest. Why am I interested? When I visited Gambia, Ejem Serekunda, Eba Kunta Kintesi, just off Serekunda, around Latrikunda axis na Gambia. And I'm what the people now benefit. I can do also a society where now was a tourist center or tourist hub. Gambia ain't oil, we ain't anything, but because of their affiliation, their relationship with many of these prominent people from non-Europe and America, a lot of benefits in Esua. So it is my wish Nandi Bani get benefit to be quite decent. This idea of promoting our culture and tourism, to a large extent, I some know in the last 4 years, it has to come to be because I'm a benefit. One, I know when I am alone when I make up. Two, abolo the commerce implication. Inflow of dollars and pounds and relationships. Exchange of culture and things like that will come to play. Or I can just say now more abono advocate of if we don't propagate.
So based on this festival for New Year Festival in the Asaba, what do you have to say concerning the New Year Festival of Asaba community?
As well, traditional, from what you would have seen, and here the Oboho artificial is something that has been for centuries. I na-agụ nke anyị agụ ka ọ si agụ Easter. Anwe period a ji eme ife emume, all burial seasons, crisis seasons. All peace and harmony. Imana enyizi ozu, amana anụ ọgụ. Anyị na-akpọ oge ife emume. And all coincide with harvest season. Of course, na harvest season na be anyị na-celebrate because to us, on our usher New Year. Not many people understand. Even we as Asaba community, na we Mother's Day. After everything na ige messy, I celebrate our Mother's Day in our Holy Oma. So what you have seen yesterday for the chief priest, who Anna consider now the chief priest of Yam, of course in a Igbo setting, Yam king of crops. So he has to taste it first before the king and every other person in Aka. Having tasted it, Ojogo make procession na the community. Igwa na ife niile na-aga ọfụma na onye lia ga-adị ndụ. Asagba weze anyị today as we speak a na-emezi nke olisizie ndị ọkpala ebo head of units like you have the Yorubas, have ballets in sub clans. Ndị ọkpala ebo, then you have the red cap chiefs who follow suit. Ọ na-abụ na-eke. We just don't do it because no onye ọzọ na-eme. Na-eke ndị ọkpala ebo, ndị obi, then ndị mkpalụ dịka awa set enwe ọkpala ukwu enwe ọkpala ogbe enwezila ndị mkpalụ ndị olinzele. That is the it's not as na onye waji onye ọbụla waji, no, it comes in ranks. Yeah, that's what you have to. So eze obodo na-awazi na eze obodo wasịzi ọkpala ebo na ndị eze ya bụ ndị kpokpo ododo ya bụ red awabazia.
Yeah, but no more any other person here.
No, today anyị nọ tata onweghị onye Asaba ga-awaji ya anywhere otebo na America.
So yesterday I noticed Igbo na ezi Ugbo waji. So ya waga waji.
Ọ wagoji.
Okay.
Ife omebe ọ bete egwu tegosi obodo. Nigeria dị mma na onye ri ya ga-adị ndụ. So ya ka eze nwe obodo ji wabazia. Because eze amanje libi ife anem ọ bụ eze ka aje test in. Oh, that priest get tested before any other person.
All right. Now, concerning, you've talked about Ikugo Maka, the significance of this New Yam Festival.
Yes.
We of course, Urona Bagasi and all that to the community and Africa at large. Now, how about when Koge Emuma Bido?
It runs for about 2 months.
No. I mean, since when Kebido Mewe Emuma and Asaba?
Yeah, but period aji wabaji na Asaba. Centuries. No man in living history can wiki say no. Obodo enye ebido ka isi no awabaji. The history has always been onye ga-ebu isi lia. And in the olden days, mmadụ na-anwụ shinne, enwe ike elie nke mmadụ anwụ. Abịa mezie na onwe nwe onye ga na-eri. Adịzịa mma na a ga-eri nwa.
Okay. Now, okay, semia before and what semia now. Can he week or the improvement?
Ọ gabagozi n'ihu because ife anyị na-eme mbụ eze bịa ọkpọ ndị ya na-ayaghachi na ụmụnna mana kịta government functionaries abatago non-indigenous abatago, so it's getting more elaborate.
Wonderful. All right, closing with the Asaba niile no number dị iche iche.
Ozi anyị nwere ike izu bụ na tourism bụ one of the greatest employers of labor. I promote our culture. The sky is our limit. Our boys in a room on the street will get something doing. These are more. We find get benefit as a community.
I'm chairman of Asagba Governing Council. I'm from Obuilo village, from Umon as your quarters. That's why I'm representing here.
Bigwe. So iPhone na neme emume iriji ndị Asaba anọ na-agakwa nke ọma. Anyị wee si biko ka ịgwakene ọha na eze nọ na mba dị iche iche, ọha na eze ndị Igbo nọ na mba dị iche iche na-ekili ife a na-eme ebe a taa. maka ife ka emume iri ji 2023 si wee na-aga maka ha na ha ene na-afụkọ ka o si aga mana ha ya like ịma ịnụ from ndị dịka unu malụkwa otu ife niile si wee na-aga biko ịgwatụ ọra na eze ka ife niile si na-aga for this New Yam Festival of 2023.
Tata ka Asagba, the Asagba of Asaba, Obi Professor Chike Dozie, na Waji, ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya iri ji. It happens once a year, and that's what is happening today. And Waji today bụ Asagba Asaba. I know if all the quarters in Butaria to pay homage to the king.
Ife we na-aga, I bụ n'obi na there is peace and there is no any trouble whatsoever as the event is going on.
I didn't get you.
I mean, we believe that there is no any form of fight or any form of conflict.
It's a peaceful town, a peaceful city for that matter. You can see everywhere it's peaceful, no fighting. We don't never fight. Our neighbors may be fighting, but we don't never fight. That's what we're known for, peaceful, loving society.
Wonderful. We noticed that someone was given a title today. What do you have to say concerning the title that has been given to him? And what can you say about that title?
Well, the Asagba of Asaba, in his wisdom, I decided to honor the young man. You were in our parliament the other day. He broke it down and rebuilt it in record time. It took him about 90 days to get it ready. And I think the title that was bestowed on him today is a sign of appreciation that the young man has done well. That's why they did that. So we're all happy for him, and I say congratulations to him. Obi, Kevin, Ezeyili.
What's your advice to the upcoming youths who will find themselves in such position in years to come?
Well, I can only ask them to emulate good actions, emulate good performance. I know you have been around, you were around yesterday. You can see the youth population. You would have observed the kind of population we have. We have a youthful population. And like they say, the youths are the leaders of tomorrow. So we can only ask them to emulate good performance, emulate good actions. And if you find yourself in a position of power, just do the best you can and leave the rest to God.
Because this is I think the second time they witness that Asagba have gone and watch. I've never witnessed it. This is the second time. I witnessed it last year. I was privileged to witness last year. This year again I witnessed it. And it's something to behold. You know where you're from. You have to know where you're from. Maracata is in our groups. So I'm happy I'm part of this.
I just want to say that it's also a member of the body of Angola. And it was a good 12 that did that. It happened on the 12. I don't know, I see
cultural heritage is your identity. The cultural heritage is your identity. What people are known for. Like you see this sister now, even though you see her in America with this rapper, you know it's from Anioma. You understand? That's the identity. You know, that's where we are from. If you don't know your culture, then I don't know what to call you. But I believe I don't say anything alcoholic. I've been apologizing for about 1 year now by the grace of God. People believe you have to get involved in one of those ritual things, but I've not seen any other than normal cultural to grow up to know. I wasn't born outside. I was born in Enugu anyway. I was born in Enugu. Came back after the war. Then left for Lagos. Then the rest is now history. So I don't think Any reasonable person will refer to culture as being diabolic. It is not just the person has missed it completely. I'm okay. I'm fine. I like meeting my people. Yesterday was in Zubo. It was fun everywhere. You know, everybody come together. But the carnival, these artists will pay money to go and watch in other countries. You know? So it's okay. I'm fine. Our culture is identity.
Wonderful, sir. Talking about this cultural heritage, do you think it has a way of bringing about development in our community?
Oh, sure. Do you know what happened? If you know what happened yesterday, people came from all over the world to come and watch Ezimo. What does that tell you? Pure water women were selling, bars were selling. Those people that came in hotel were selling. As I yesterday morning, there was no hotel in Asaba. Asaba has over 300 hotel. None, we can't get a room. Instead, we are going to squat to someone. You see someone who can come and share room with you. That kind of. That will tell you what happened yesterday. You know, there was no hotel as at yesterday morning. You know, people came in, money exchange hand. There's value chain. There's a value chain. People are buying and selling. You can see so many stand there. People are eating, drinking water, drinking beer. You know, so it's another way of inviting investors. If when you come and see, oh wow, this can be okay. Corporate bodies can come in and sponsor. I want us to get to that level. We're here to get there. Everybody come and sponsor. Coca-Cola will be somewhere. Guinness will be somewhere. You know, foreigners outside Nigeria will come in. But I believe you. Believe me. Asaba will get there one day. With young people like us coming into power, you know, who have you seen it all. What you see outside, you see that Brazil bring.